So this video is sponsored by MR Contracting. Today I'm going to put a tongue jack on the enclosed trailer. I'm going to replace it with one that has a drop down with a pin, and then you can raise it up with the jack so it's a little bit faster. This one's about wore out. I'm afraid that one day I'm going to, right before it pulls it off the ball, it's going to strip out and just drop back down. So I don't think it's going to be real hard. The new jack that I have, I may end up having to modify a little bit because it's, I think, just a little bit longer than this, and I already drag the road whenever I'm pulling out of my driveway. Let's go ahead and get this changed out. We're fixing to go to the cabin, and be nice to have this fixed before we do that. You may not have to do anything. Just compared the two side by side, and it looks like it's probably not going to be a problem. Go ahead and set this. I was expecting a whole lot more pain than this. That's going to be much nicer. That's going to be painful if you have that lifted up, though. It is what it is. Need to get this tight. Okay, so chains will drag. I'll just take a old bungee and loop it around the jack and kind of get an idea how much chain I need. And then I'll just suspend it by the bungee. That keeps them from dragging. Compared to that other one, this is pretty much effortless. Let's just hope that's high enough. If not, I got plenty of room. Drill another hole up and cut some of this bottom off. We'll see how it works. So I'm gonna have to make some adjustments on this jack. It does stick down a little bit too far. Good thing about it is it has about that much pipe that sticks down, and I'll be able to re-drill a hole and cut say 1.5 inches or maybe more off of it without affecting the operation of the jack. I guess we'll get started. I have a floor jack on this end, taking some of the weight off. This got the weight off of that. So I'm going to drill a hole. I'll have about that same reveal. So I'm going to move the hole to close as I can get to this outer tube. And then I'll cut this bottom part off. That'll give us, close to 2 inches more clearance. So this will give me a guide to line that hole. Probably gonna take forever, this big bit, but I think this is gonna be the best way to go at this. Pretty nice start so far. Alright, go one more size up. We'll be able to cut this off. I use this taper bit to deburr each side. That'll do it. Let's see how this goes. Really need to put it in a vise, but keep this thing from ever rusting. So from the bottom of the frame on the trailer, we're 4 3/4 of an inch. And I took off 1 3/4 of an inch. So that's hopefully going to do a lot better.